Hey there, YouTube. My name is King Ramirez, and I'm here to ask one simple question. So, this vlog is about oil and the seventh letter, which is the letter G, which stands for God. Now, we know that God is a holy being, and we also know that the seventh letter is what letter G stands for. But now, I want to ask, why is Cebu, which is in the seventh region? Why is Cebu called Cebu? Is it because it's Cebu, which is made from oil? And di ba nga, Tagalogin na natin, sabi ko nga, bakit yung Cebu nasa seventh region? Tapos yung Cebu stands for oil. And what is oil made of? And where is oil used? Di ba oil is used for anointing? Then why is Cebu in the seventh region? In the seventh region, or in the seventh letter also is letter G, which stands for God. Is God located in Cebu? No, not really that question. Not just that's an radical question. So what I wanna know is Cebu, does it have anything to do with God and the seventh letter, which is G? And that's a fun fact to answer. Can you answer me right down in the comments? Thank you very much.